Hey, this is Joseph, the developer behind Project Graveyard, and I just wanted to record a short tutorial for you. So when you open your Graveyard, you won't have anything in it. Mine's full of stuff already, but you can get started with the plus button. Select anything from the item library. We just have a few things right now, but we're going to be adding more. Let's select a gravestone, and you see it kind of randomly places it somewhere in the project and opens a card. You can move it wherever you want in a moment. The first thing you'll want to do is customize it, so you can pick whatever material you want and whatever color. We've got a few options of each, and then you can edit the text. I'm just gonna type something like that in and close. Now we can inspect that. We can pick it up with one, just look at it and pinch and pick it up. We can use two hands to scale it up, and we can release and it goes back to where we left it. And we can do that for anything in the graveyard. So this is done with this interaction mode here. We've got two other modes we can look at as well. So this first mode will always just put things back where you want, so you can just kind of quickly inspect anything you want and just play with it without worrying about making any changes to your graveyard. You can also go into this arrange mode. Now we can move things around and their position or rotation will be saved wherever we left that. So I'm going to put this here, maybe make it a little bit bigger. And the third mode is this edit mode. So we can look at a gravestone and tap it, and there is a little menu that will pop up right above the item that you're tapping on. We can see it on all of them. From here, we can customize the material, we can edit the text, we can delete the item, anything we want to do. Let's delete that one we added earlier. You'll notice that not everything has all the options. So some of the new items don't have customization or editing built in yet. Right now, all you can do is delete them. But I'm going to be adding new materials and new customizations as we add more items to it. One other quick thing to show you is there's a few settings here. You can change the lighting. So by default, it'll use your environment lighting, whatever's in your room or your environment. If you want it a little brighter, you can have some daylight. If you want it a little extra light but dimmer, you can have that option as well. We also have rain. It's kind of hard to see in a video, but there's a little particle rain system, and I'm going to be working on improvements to that. And if you want, you can turn off the graveyard or the gravestone text, so you just see all the stones without all the text in front of them. And of course, we've got an about screen with some credits for where the asset came from. So that's it for Project Graveyard 3.0. Let me know if you have any questions or what kind of features and customizations you want to see next.